Want to make sure you never miss an important message on WhatsApp? With reminder notifications, you can receive gentle nudges about unread messages or conversations you need to follow up on. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable them in just a few taps. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once inside, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner to access more options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage all your alert preferences. Look for the Reminders option. If you see a toggle switch next to it, simply tap to turn it on. Once activated, the toggle will turn blue or green, depending on your phone's settings. With Reminder notifications enabled, WhatsApp will alert you about messages you haven't responded to, making it easier to stay on top of important chats. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just head back to the settings and switch it off. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WhatsApp tips.